So a lot of you know that I've been in New York filming a television show for the past 30 days, and my family didn't come with me at first. They just had a lot of things they had to do. We had to get the house ready, they had to switch to online school, we had to find places for all of our pets. We were having some construction done on the house that was already scheduled. So it was 30 days without them. It was the longest 30 days of my life, but they're here and I can't wait to share the whole journey with you of when they came, what it was like, and me moving to this new place and giving you a tour. So I'm about to pack because I am meeting my family tomorrow. I bought so many clothes, I don't know what I'm gonna do. They're not all gonna fit in here, and I bought a bunch of shoes. But what I also bought was a bunch of my favorite small space organizing supplies because the new place we're going to doesn't have dressers and it doesn't have a lot of closet space. It doesn't even have, anyways, I bought so much of this. I bought a box of like so many hangers too, but look at how big this box is. I wasn't really planning. I had to get an Uber XL and take like 5 loads from my apartment down to the Uber back and forth up the 15 flights. I took the elevator, but that's not the point. The point is, why didn't I just buy all that stuff when I got here? I also had envisioned this amazing reunion with my family where I was gonna meet them at the airport and it was gonna be like, you know, a movie where we run and embrace each other, except I had to work, so I wasn't able to meet them at the airport. I met them here at this place, and this place has not been lived in for a really long time, and it had an odor, a sewage odor, which it still has. And so I'm waiting for them. I'm so nervous. I'm pacing back and forth and waiting for them to come in. And then the moment that they arrive, I think this is them. I think this is them. I see a taxi. Don't cry. Don't cry. I'm gonna cry. Don't cry. They're all grabbing their suitcases. Okay. Here we go. Oh my God, I missed your face. I am so happy to have them here. Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me. And the apartment that we're staying in is actually really cute. It's in a place called Hoboken. It's on a cliff. It has an amazing view, but I'm gonna give you a quick tour now. So as soon as you walk in, there's a little spot for shoes and coats. It's a tiny space for sure. Joe and I took the first bedroom right here. It's the only bedroom actually on this floor, and we chose this bedroom even though it's the smallest and has the smallest closet. Because it's on the main floor, it just feels safe having the kids all together in the basement. We didn't want one of the kids up here. The closet is so tiny, but I did get this hanging closet organizing system that just allows me, instead of a dresser, to have a spot for pants and pajamas that I can roll, and loving the shoe organizer on the back of the door. Across from that bedroom is a tiny bathroom, but it is kind of nice that Joe and I have our own private bathroom this way. But I mean, you guys, it is so tiny. So again, this over-the-door shoe organizer that I got for Target for just a couple of dollars is coming in as a lifesaver to create more storage in this very small bathroom. And this is the kitchen and living room all together, and the best view in the whole place. Look at that. Wow, chicka, wow, wow, chicka. And the second best view is right out these doors. Right outside we have this cute little balcony with a barbecue and like a bunch of seating for our family, and the view. So nice, so loud, but so nice. And we have like little candles and tiki torches, so at night we can light them and sit out here and check out Manhattan. So beautiful at night. Like, I feel like the nighttime view just takes my breath away. Inside the kitchen isn't, I mean, it's not overly small, but we definitely had to do some reorganization to make room for all the food and all of the stuff that we bought. So it's working though. We even have some empty counter space, which is amazing. So that's it for the main floor. It's not a lot of space up here, but I'm gonna take you down this crazy spiral staircase so you can see where the kids are. They have like this cool space, but the staircase is a little terrifying. So as soon as you get to the bottom of these stairs, the kids have their own bathroom right here, which I love. We got like little organizers for them so that everything has its place. They have their own little caddy for the bathroom, which you're like, you know, I like to organize. And I got over the door hooks from the dollar store so they can hang their towels. This is Izzy's room, and I think it's so sweet. She's like in love with this room, but it doesn't have a dresser and it doesn't have a lot of storage. So again, an over the door organizer is like saving us here for all of the stuff that she would otherwise be sticking in a dresser. So across the hall here is Abby's room. This is so cute. This is the one room that I wanted when we first saw it for Joe and I was gonna make Joe sleep in his own bed so I could have a good night's sleep. But it is safer that all the kids are down here and we're the only ones on the upstairs. It doesn't, again, have a dresser, so over the door organizers is saving us, but she loves this room, especially that they each have their own TV. I think that's their favorite part. And last but not least, we have Milo's room here, which again is so cute. And every room has an amazing view of Manhattan skyline. And of course, they love jumping from bed to bed. I think that's Milo's favorite part.
Like this.
Like this. Is that your favorite part of your room?
Yeah.
Like that. But it's really working. Overall, like, we've only been here 2 days, but I love the setup. We love the space. It smells like butt, but otherwise, no complaints. So thanks so much for watching. I actually have some organizing videos coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and like for more videos soon. See you then. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So you saw where we are. We're on this like amazing cliff that overlooks this incredible view, but the nearest grocery store is all the way down. Like you have to go down these crazy flights of stairs on the side of the hill and then down this huge like road path, and going back up is killing me. My butt hurts, my calves hurt, my thighs hurt, everything is burning. Every time I try to go up and down those spiral stairs, it's like, ow, ow, ow. I thought that Manhattan had prepared me in this last month, that I was like now in shape because I was walking more. No, incline is killing me. Why? Like, New York State must be the most fittest people on the planet, because honestly, not only does everyone walk everywhere so fast, like ridiculous, like everyone's in a rush, so they're basically like speed walking everywhere. They think like 20 blocks is nothing because to drive would be like longer because traffic's so crazy. Plus you can't find parking anyway, so everyone walks everywhere. So like you think that would be enough, but no, everyone has a Peloton. I kid you not, we are doing 11 family homes so far. All of them except 2 have a Peloton. Like, everyone has a Peloton. It's like this TV show should be sponsored by Peloton. I don't know anyone with a Peloton, but here in New York, it's like if you don't have one, something's wrong, because they're just so into fitness and health food. Every store is just like organic, sugar-free, gluten-free, dairy-free. What's in it? What's in your food, New York? I don't know. But it's crazy up in here.